Welcome to today's video where we will be uncovering the art and science behind fireworks and the safety protocols that keep the brilliant displays going without a hitch. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the fascinating world of fireworks and how maintenance and operations teams play a crucial role in their safe execution. If you've ever wondered how those stunning visuals in the sky are created or pondered about the safety measures taken, then stick around as we feed your curiosity and unravel some trade secrets. Have you ever watched a spectacular fireworks display and wondered how those stunning visuals are created? Or perhaps you've pondered about the safety measures taken by the brave technicians who light up our skies? Well, today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of fireworks and the meticulous safety protocols that keep technicians safe. Fireworks are a blend of art and science, made possible through a combination of different chemicals set on a timer. The process is shrouded in trade secrets, but we can share some basic insights. The creation of fireworks begins with black powder or flash powder. To create the vibrant colors we all admire, different minerals are added to the mix. The stars and special effects we see are crafted using paper, plastic, and various chemicals. All these components are carefully arranged in a shell or tube in a specific order. This precise arrangement ensures that the right effect lights up the sky at the perfect moment. Now let's talk about safety. Firework technicians adhere to a strict set of protocols to ensure their safety. When fireworks are handled professionally, they rarely cause accidents. Most injuries occur with novice users who only engage with fireworks a few times a year. The safety protocols can vary from place to place, but one common requirement for all big cities is coordination with city maintenance. Depending on where the fireworks are set off, facility or park maintenance teams may also need to be consulted. So when should you leave fireworks to the professionals? The answer is simple: most of the time, especially when dealing with larger mortars and shells. Professional firework technicians undergo rigorous training and spend months designing the breathtaking displays that the rest of the world gets to enjoy occasionally. In a nutshell, they're the experts. They know how to do it safely and spectacularly, and thanks to these technicians, our world is a brighter and more colorful place, especially during celebrations. So next time you're watching a fireworks display, remember the intricate process and the skilled technicians behind each dazzling burst of color. Thank you for watching this video. We've learned about the art and science of fireworks, the safety protocols in place, and the role of maintenance and operations teams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information about UpKeep and our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.